Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kali ini kita akan menerjemah sekaligus membaca bacaan sederhana yang berisi cerita-cerita lucu supaya kalian bisa menambah vocab dan sedikit menambah wawasan tentang ilmu tata bahasanya.
Jack worked in the office in a big city and frequently went to a small but comfortable restaurant to have his lunch. One Monday, when he went to the table at which he usually sat, he saw that there was a new waitress in the restaurant. She was very young and looked rather hot and worried. Jack sat down, and when the waitress came to him, asked for some vegetable soup. The new waitress wrote this down in a little notebook and went to order it in the kitchen. There were a lot of people in the restaurant, and the new girl was very busy, and at last she came to Jack with a plate on a large tray. She put the plate down in front of him, and he saw that it was not the vegetable soup which he had asked for, but some fish and potatoes. The waitress was preparing to turn away again, but Jack stopped her. "Miss," he said, "I did not order fish and potatoes. I ordered vegetable soup." "Oh," she answered, "I thought that you asked for fish." "No," said Jack. "Look at the notebook which you wrote my order in, and you will see that I ordered vegetable soup." The new waitress looked everywhere in her little notebook, and at last she found Jack's order. "Table number 24. She read out, "1 vegetable soup." "Yes, I'm sorry. I got confused. I shall change it." She put the notebook down on Jack's table, took out a pencil, crossed out the words vegetable soup, and wrote fish and potatoes instead. Then she shut the notebook and quickly walked away to some orders from other tables, while Jack sat with his mouth open, too surprised to say another word. Well, dari kata-kata di atas, ini adalah artinya. Pertama, worked, bekerja. Verb satunya adalah work. Kedua, big city, kota besar. Ketiga, frequently, sering. Keempat, comfortable, nyaman. 5. Lunch, makan siang. 6. Went, pergi. Verb satunya adalah go. 7. Sat, duduk. Verb satunya adalah sit. 8. Waiters, pelayan. 9. Rather, agak. 10. Worried, cemas. 11. Sit down, duduk. Verb satunya adalah sit down. 12. Vegetable soup, sup sayur. 13. Wrote, menulis. Verb satunya adalah write. 14. Notebook, buku catatan. 15. Busy, sibuk. 16. At last, pada akhirnya. 17. Put down, meletakkan. 18. Asked for, meminta atau memesan. Verb satunya adalah asked for. 19. Fish, ikan. 20. Potatoes, kentang-kentang. 21. Preparing, mempersiapkan. Verb satunya adalah prepare. 22. Turn away, berpaling. 23. Stopped, menghentikan. 24. Order, memesan. 25. Answered, menjawab. 26. Thought, berpikir. Verb satunya adalah think. 27. Everywhere, kemana-mana. 28. Read out, membaca dengan keras. 29. Confused, pusing. 30. Crossed out, mencoret. 31. Shut, menutup. 32. quickly, dengan cepat. 33. Walked away, pergi. 34. Mouth open, melongo. 35. To surprised, dengan sangat terkejut. 36. Another, yang lain. And the last, 37. Word, kata. Terima kasih.
Oke, saya baca dan saya terjemahkan ya. Jack worked in an office in a big city and frequently went to a small but comfortable restaurant to have his lunch. Jack bekerja di sebuah kantor di sebuah kota besar, dan seringkali Jack itu pergi ke sebuah restoran yang kecil tapi nyaman untuk makan siang. One Monday, when he went to the table at which he usually sat, pada hari Senin, ketika dia menghampiri meja tempat di mana dia biasa duduk, he saw that there was a new waitress in the restaurant. Dia melihat ada seorang pelayan baru di restoran tersebut. She was very young and looked rather hot and worried. Pelayan itu masih berusia muda dan dia nampak berpenampilan agak seksi dan wajahnya agak sedikit cemas. Jack sat down, and when the waitress came to him, asked for some vegetable soup, the new waitress wrote it down in a little notebook and went to order it in the kitchen. Jack pun duduk, dan kemudian pelayan itu pun menghampiri Jack, dan Jack pun akhirnya meminta pesanan berupa sup sayur. Akhirnya si pelayan itu pun menulis pesanan Jack di sebuah buku catatan kecil, dan dia pun kembali ke dapur untuk mengambil pesanan tersebut. There were a lot of people in the restaurant. Ada banyak pengunjung di restoran tersebut. And the new girl was very busy. Dan gadis pelayan itu pun nampak sangat sibuk. But at last, she came to Jack with a plate on a large tray. Dan akhirnya si pelayan itu pun menghampiri Jack kembali dengan satu piring di atas lengser. Lengser itu berupa tempat menaruh piring ya, yang dibawa oleh tangan biasanya, dan itu cukup besar tentunya. She put the plate down in front of him. Si pelayan itu pun meletakkan piring tepat di depan Jack. And he saw that it was not the vegetable soup which he had asked for. Dan Jack pun sadar bahwa ternyata yang dibawa pelayan itu bukan sup sayur yang dia pesan tadi, tapi makanan lain, yaitu berupa ikan dan kentang. The waitress was preparing to turn away again. Ketika si pelayan perempuan tadi itu mulai berbalik badan untuk kembali ke tempatnya, but Jack stopped her. Jack pun menghentikan langkah si pelayan tersebut. Miss, he said, I did not order fish and potatoes. I order vegetable soup. Kata si Jack, Miss, saya tadi tidak memesan ikan dan kentang. Saya hanya memesan sup sayur. Oh, she answered. I thought that you asked for fish. Oh, kata si pelayan itu. Saya pikir Anda tadi pesan ikan, Pak. No, said Jack. Tidak, Jack berkata. Look at the notebook that you wrote my order in, and you will see that I order vegetable soup. Coba Anda lihat pesanan saya di dalam catatan Anda yang Anda tulis tadi, dan Anda akan melihat bahwa saya tadi pesan sup sayur. The new waitress looked everywhere in her little notebook. Si pelayan baru itu pun mulai sibuk mencari-cari pesanan dalam catatan bukunya. And at last, she found Jack's order. Dan akhirnya dia menemukan pesanan Jack. Table number 24, she read out. 1 vegetable soup. Yes, I'm sorry, I got confused. I shall change it. Meja nomor 24, dia mulai baca keras-keras itu pesanan itu. 1 pesanan yaitu sup sayur. Ya Pak, saya minta maaf. Saya tadi pusing Pak. Kalau gitu saya gantinya ya. She put the notebook down on Jack's table, took out her pencil, crossed out the word vegetable soup and wrote fish and potatoes. Dia pun akhirnya meletakkan catatan itu tepat di depannya mejanya. Jack, kemudian dia keluarkan pensil, kemudian dia coret kata-kata yang mengatakan vegetable soup atau sup sayur, dan dia ganti tulisannya menjadi ikan dan kencing seperti artinya. Instead, then she saw the notebook and quickly walk away. Kemudian dia tutup buku catatan itu dan dia segera beranjak pergi. To take some order from at the table. Untuk mengambil pesanan dari meja yang lain. While Jack sat with his mouth open. Sementara Jack hanya duduk dan ya istilahnya melongo lah. Terbengong-bengong dia. Too surprised to say another word. Saking kagetnya dia nggak bisa ngomong apa-apa. Mungkin heran kali ya sama si pelayan yang agak gugup. Maklum, masih baru kali ya. Oke, itu saja yang bisa saya sampaikan hari ini. Mudah-mudahan bisa memberi manfaat kosakata maupun kalimat yang ada di dalam bacaan ini. Terima kasih atas perhatiannya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.